At pagkakasakal ko na iyan ako naglain. Ako niya rin, nilong niya ang pamilya sa akin. Yung pamilya na ako pala. Kunali mga, ano ang mo, sa pamilya. Sino sa mga pamilya. Wala lang. Niya, for all of them that trust in me are blessed, yes, yes, happy is the man who delights in doing his command. Yes, tell men shall be honored everywhere. For good men shall have spiritual children.
Blessed be the Lord, this demand, for saith the Lord, that delighteth greatly in his commandments. His faith shall be mighty upon earth, the generation of the upright shall be blessed, wealth and riches shall be in the house